So you're probably watching this video because you came from the A7C II unboxing video, or maybe you're just interested in the accessories that I'm gonna get or I have for the A7C II. So today we're gonna talk about the accessories. First accessory I wanted to talk about is this half cage that is from Ulanzi, the Falcam system. So it covers F22 and F38, so you can do various accessories that you can pair with it. You can have a side handle, you can have this on the F38 line of tripods. It also works with the newer systems, with the Yuka system. So Ulanzi half cage. I only use this if I'm filming outdoors or I need to kind of like stabilize my shot. But for the most part, I use a tripod, and I don't really, I try to keep it minimal. So if I don't have to use the half cage, I don't have to use it. And then like mounts like this, like a magic arm. And then another accessory I got for the A7C II is the screen protector for the screen. I think having this is a good thing to have, just to protect your screen from any scratches. Maybe you're putting in your bag pretty aggressive, so having that is a good idea to have. And then next one will be this thumbs up grip, this thumb grip for the Sony A7C II. I got the silver one from JJC. They're a bit expensive, to be honest, on Amazon, but I just wanted, I saw a bunch of videos online, and if it's silver and it looks good, I can be easily peer pressured into buying an accessory from anywhere. So I'll unbox, you guys get the first unboxing. So basically, a thumb grip is gonna help you when you are shooting photos. So it looks like that. Oh, so it matches the leather on the A7C II, the leather material here. So let's remove the my adapter, put that down. So then this one should go here. Ooh, and then, so you have like something to rest your thumb on, versus if you're not, you know, it's just more ergonomic in a sense. So remove that. I'll have all the links of these accessories down below, but I got the silver, but I think the black also looks good. So consider getting that too. And then for the A7C II, one thing I learned from the ZVE1 is that, and the A7 IV, is that regardless of what camera you get, there's the potential to overheat, especially if it's summer, if you're shooting in higher definition, or maybe you're shooting just for long periods of time, which I do for my second or my other channel that a lot of you might not know of. But having the Ulanzi cooling fan, I have been seeing like improvements. The beauty about this, oh, yikes. So the beauty about this is that it displays the temperature that your camera is on, and then you have two settings. One that's the basic one where it's not that loud, and then the second one where it turbo boosts. But one thing you can do as well is that, I don't know if you guys hear that. But one thing you guys can do as well is that while you're filming, you can insert, I don't know, maybe from a battery or from a, you're just charging it regularly with the USB-C so that it runs as long as it can. So I got the Ulanzi cooling fan. So again, links will be down below. One other, and I believe, so this next one would be for people who do talking head videos like this quite a bit. So I'm filming with the iPhone right now because we don't have the ZVE1 anymore. We got rid of it. I talked about it on the unboxing video for this camera. So one thing I got was a dummy battery, which should help out with potential for overheating and not having to use the battery that comes with the Sony cameras. So essentially this one can run as long as it can while filming these talking head videos indoors. and you don't need to recharge, just waste time. So you got that. So dummy batteries are a really good option if you are, so it's shaped like the Sony NPFZ100. So they're a really good option if you do talking head videos, maybe if you do a podcast. So it gives you the option to shoot longer, which also it apparently doesn't overheat as much compared to having the regular battery. And yeah, so it comes with these cables. So one thing to note as well, one thing you can also get is a grip to make the body a bit longer, like this way, because a lot of people, I find some people have bigger hands, so it feels awkward on the end, so they need that extra width in order for their pinky to be comfortable. But the thumb grip does help with that too. So having this thumb grip will definitely help. But you can also, if you're considering getting this camera, that accessory will also be a good option to have. I forgot to mention that with the Ulanzi half cage, one thing that you should have would be the F38 base plate, which I have quite a bit of those. So essentially it goes under here. So it's also on my camcorder, so you need that in order to pair with this, but maybe the packages do come with it. So I'm really excited for the next few pieces of content with regards to the A7C II. One thing as well is that I'm gonna have a bunch of lens choices for this specific body, since I am purchasing a couple lenses, or two. So I'm excited to show that. That will be in a future video. So hopefully you guys tune in, and if you guys click on one of these videos, I'll see you guys there when I see you.